Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube again. So today I'm not gonna have any reptiles in this vlog. As it's my mero second passion after reptiles, so which is sorry if like noise or I'm recording outside. So my second passion, which is bikes. I'm gonna go get it. There you go. So this here is a Viking XRR San Maria bike. Alloy le banako, so it's very light. 18 gear system. Specific facts are saying wheel size 700cc. It's a starter foundation bike for road bikes. I've got no complaints. Brand new say they cost around brand new say they cost around £390. It's very comfortable. I'm lying guys. I mean this is my bike, but I'm talking about my motorbike. I'll take both of this bike out. It's a better bike, I do have his key, so I'm gonna take it out and explain to you a bit more about these bikes. This is this lock one, sir. Let's say bike ko wheel ma halera let's say lock लगाइदिने alarm हुन्छ तर मेरो चाहिँ ब्याट्री सकेको छ. This lock bike पनि same this lock. यसरी alarm बज्छ and locks. This gear, you'd say Yamaha YZF125. Obviously, like the name suggests, you'd say 125cc bike. It's good for beginners. It's very light. Does about 75 mph, I think. This is a 2009 model. You got your standard dash going on. Rev counter, mph counter, fuel indicator, mileage count garnama. Here's a matte black, really good color. RNG ko uharu, sliders and Leo Vince ko slip-on exhaust, which sounds really good. I'm gonna turn this on. And turn this on. Okay, I don't know how good it sounded on the actual camera. It is very loud, even for a 125cc. UK ma चाहिँ 125 bike you see bike L plate taseko त्यो भनेको चाहिँ 125 हो. They're not learners. 125 भनेको चाहिँ CVT हो. CVT गर्न चाहिँ it doesn't really cost much. It's a lot easier. तर CVT चाहिँ every 2 years renew गर्नुपर्छ. मेरो चाहिँ full license छ. मैले चाहिँ CVT हरु केही गरिन. मैले चाहिँ directly I waited until I was 24 and my direct access scheme what's called DSA, direct access scheme, direct access scheme. Oh, I think direct access scheme no one's all. If you're 24, this one so you can do a full license. So this is a bike one on that. यो चाहिँ मेरो Daytona 600 Daytona चाहिँ British brand नै हो मैले यो Daytona चाहिँ अब fully modded neptile king so like I was saying यो Daytona चाहिँ मैले I've kind of modded it a lot normally standard चाहिँ यसरी आउँदैन I'm just gonna put a picture of old Daytona right here and then new मैले mod गरेको yeah what mods have I done मैले यो wing mirror change गरे carbon fiber type को राखे decal हरु पनि carbon fiber type को हाले obviously custom stuff repainted the whole bike त्यसपछि decal हरु आफ्नै customize हरु हाले triumph हरु redid the whole tank get it what's it called knee grip get it tank grip हरु पनि सबै हाले got it all modded with new stickers मैले इन्जिनहरुसँग चाहिँ I don't work with if I definitely don't touch इन्जिनहरु चाहिँ तर यस्तो यो other stuff यो wheel tape हरु rim tape हरु changed indicators or LED indicators LED integrated indicators standard number plate exhaust हरु सबै change गरे and yeah I think that's all I did main चाहिँ अब त्यही paint हरु सबै color scheme हरु change गरे oh yeah LED light bulb हरु and I think that's about all I've done ए उसको लागि चाहिँ म राख्छु किनभने Daytona को चाहिँ engine start गर्ने बेला you have to press the clutch as well so clutch र press गर्नुपर्छ त्यसको लागि म यो मुनि नै राख्छु a little bit about mero अहिलेसम्मको मोटरबाइक experience मैले नेपालमा चाहिँ I've never rode a bike नेपालमा कहिले पनि बाइक चलाएको छैन डाइरेक्ट UK आएर 24 भइसकेपछि I just did direct access scheme DSA भन्ने त्यो गरेर चाहिँ I was allowed to use full CC bike supposed to be सबभन्दा थोरै horsepower भएको 600cc class so this thing does got the 160 mph होला र पनि is considered really slow Triumph चाहिँ it's not a Japanese company यो चाहिँ it's a British company English company हो so it does quite alright for not a Japanese super sports so past को बारे चाहिँ so मेरो favorite bike चाहिँ Kawasaki brand dad used to ride Kawasaki when he was back in Nepal so that's कारण I just went towards Kawasaki मेरो brother चाहिँ Yamaha I went for Kawasaki so मेरो first bike was a Kawasaki Ninja 650 ER6F पनि भन्छ त्यो चाहिँ sports it was a sports bike it wasn't a super sport so it was a bit more comfortable a good starter bike मैले त्यो 650cc बाइक चाहिँ मैले 2 years को लागि सम्म चलाएँ 2 years को लागि चलाएँ अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ अलिकति आँट आएर false confident आएर मैले त्यसपछि 1000cc को बाइक त्यो 650 पार्ट एक्सचेन्ज गरेर पैसा अलिकति एड गरेर मैले 1000cc को बाइक किने which is मेरो dream bike it's a Kawasaki ZX10 obviously a lot different to 650cc power it's about 180 horsepower so मेरो पहिलाको बाइकको 75 horsepower अहिलेको 180 न अहिलेको त्यतिखेरको Kawasaki was 180 अन्त Kawasaki चाहिँ के भयो भने it did like 210 mph it was a really fast bike unfortunately power was too much even for me मैले 650 चलाएर पनि for 2 years चलाएर पनि मेरो लागि पनि power was a bit too much and as you know last April as a as a May 2020 ho, tara last April 2019, so exactly a year and like 20 something days ago, I crashed my bike. Injured wo, सबभन्दा main injury मेरो यही knee scar. Entirely open भएर भित्रको मेरो patella हुन्छ knee cap उनीहरु सबै fracture भएर उ गरेर हाल्यो. Luckily के भएन, road rash हरु भएको थियो. यो road rash चाहिँ कहिले पनि गएन. Shoulder bruise भएको थियो. मेरो औँलाहरु, I was bleeding from all my fingers. यहाँ पनि massive road rash थियो. And then oh yeah, my finger was dislocated. Road ma hunda finger यस्तो थियो तर त्यो चाहिँ अब त्यतिखेर pain मा हुँदाखेरि I just pulled it back. Luckily भन्नु कि unlucky भन्नु खै के हो. What happened was like the following scene is a dramatic reconstruction of my accident. Pew! So guys, quick thing, this actually is the exact model of the bike I crashed. Mero accident. This is a ZX10. This was exactly mero layout or just the. It's actually so scary, like what's the accurate in some model bikes are. Obviously different color scheme. But yeah, the bike is Kawasaki ko. Kawasaki bike ZX10 on it. It was a good bike. So what happened was, like, let me explain this from Yawada. I'll get mazale ramsang huncha. So pretend this is me. La 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 kabao khanu paryo. La 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 bike chare and gae. So roundabout, you know how roundabout ma like it's a sida bato bhayeseko third lane jana yo exit janu पर्छ. So pretend like this is the roundabout. Yeah. So what exactly happened was, like, yesterday my bike as I was turning, यसरी turn गर्दै गइरहेको बेलामा basically यही हो क्या लो साइडहरुको चाहिँ मैले यो अलिकति ग्यास दिएर हाल्सक्ने बित्तिकै टायर स्पिन भएर लिटरली यस्तो भएर राउन्डमा यसरी स्किड भएर गयो and then यसरी गयो. So that's how, like, मेरो pretend like this is me, this is my right leg, this is my left leg, this is my right leg, यस्तो भएर यस्तो जाँदा जाँदा लो साइड भएर यो यस्तो भएर स्किड भएर लडेर एक्सिडेन्ट भएर मेरो राइट लेग ड्यामेज हो. Let me just show you the helmet I was wearing to accident ko bela. Ninja Rakukuri, obviously. So this was the helmet I was wearing. All the way here, some scrap. Luckily I was wearing this. So face some base scrap bo. All the way here, some scrap bo. Yo pani bhacha visor pani. It's broken over here. So best the yeah. Don't be stupid, just wear a helmet. It actually saves your life. Helmet what would have happened? This knee wouldn't have been my worst injury. I think my worst injury would have been my face. So yeah, hospital 2 weeks base, surgery gare, niske, and then I started walking around like a month or so, bistari in there. Still alili ninduksa tara, you know. Cool. Until next time, yeah guys, like, share and subscribe. Obviously today's content was a bit different. I used to do motor vlogs before I even did mero neptile thing or just for fun. I probably have my old clips. I will make that into archive video. Hopefully I might do 1 or 2 motor vlog here and there, early future man. And yeah, stay subscribed.